Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom, and thanks so much for joining me today on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the electric vehicle chargers here at Ikea Tempe in Sydney. Ikea Tempe is located on the Princes Highway in the south of Sydney, and most locals in Sydney would know this Ikea thanks to its famous clock tower landmark and its proximity to the international airport. So once you enter the Ikea complex from the Princes Highway, you'll eventually reach this roundabout, and what you want to do is aim for the undercover car park, conveniently marked by this height restriction bar. Keep driving down the ramp, and by the way, this Ikea is open from 10 AM to 8 PM every day, and the restaurant closes at 7:30 PM. Presumably the car park also has similar opening hours. Keep driving into the basement car park, and as you enter the car park, keep driving straight, do not turn left. Keep driving straight with the wall on your right. Watch out for the speed bumps. And eventually, you will see the 4 electric vehicle chargers straight ahead of you in the corner of the car park. As you can see, the car park was quite empty, and nobody was using the electric vehicle chargers at this time. My family and I like coming to Ikea late in the afternoon when there are less crowds, and personally I like shopping for furniture and other small goods when there's less people around. And of course, there's more chance that there is a free EV charging spot for me to use. How good are the reversing cameras in the Tesla Model 3? Makes it so easy. Hey everyone, welcome to Ikea Tempe here in Sydney, and we've got 4 electric vehicle chargers here in the back corner of the parking lot, and they are free to use, as you can see, and very easy as well. And they're Type 2, and let's give it a try. So all you do is take it off the wall like that. See that? Type 2. And we'll just press the charge port for our Tesla Model 3, and it's as easy as just hanging with all this. I had a click over there, and you'll see that turn green like that. So that's very easy to use at the Ikea Tempe electric vehicle chargers. Thank you, Ikea. Thank you, Ikea, indeed. How good is this? We're getting the full 3-phase 11 kilowatts at this charging station. 16 amps, 234 volts, 11 kilowatts. And when I plugged in, I was already at 72% state of charge, which means that for a full 100% charge, it's an extra 2 hours and 15 minutes. Don't know about you guys, but any more than 2 hours at an Ikea, I start to go a bit stir crazy. So honestly, being able to charge my car for a couple of hours while I look for furniture at Ikea is just perfect. And like all Ikea instructions, it's pretty straightforward to follow. Electric vehicle charger, charging instructions. Number 1, plug the cable into your vehicle charge port, suitable for vehicles with a Type 2 socket. Number 2, the vehicle should start charging automatically. Optional, download the ChargeFox app to activate and monitor your charging session. On this occasion I didn't do so because I could monitor the charging from my Tesla app. However, I do recommend checking in on plugshare.com just in case somebody needs a charge desperately. Number 3, to stop charging, please do so via your car or the ChargeFox app. After charging, please move your electric vehicle to allow others to use the charging station. The marked spaces are for electric vehicles only. And as always with Ikea, they pride themselves on instructions. There's a picture of a Meneke's Type 2 charge port. That's what you need to be able to use this charger. And there's a 24-hour support number in case you need help, as well as an email address. And as already mentioned, these EV charging spots are in the back corner of the Ikea Tempe car park in Sydney. I personally don't mind having the EV chargers located far away from the shop entrance. There's less chance of them being iced, and because they're located so far away from the shop entrance, you've really got to want to use them rather than just being a convenient parking spot. And just a quick tip for new electric vehicle owners: please don't treat these as your personal parking spots. They really are only for if you need to charge your vehicle. Make sure you plug in every time you park in an electric vehicle parking spot, regardless of where they are. And honestly, these spots really aren't that far from the shop entrance. The car park isn't that big. It's a safe car park, it's well lit, and there's always security around. And of course, if you've purchased some massive flat pack furniture, you can always move your car closer to the entrance. This IKEA has short-term loading bays for that purpose. It's really quite encouraging to see IKEA make an effort to become a sustainable business. Here's what they're saying about their mission. It's electrifying. The charging points in our car park already help you recharge your electric vehicles while you shop, and by 2025 we want 100% of our deliveries from this store to be made using use zero emissions vehicles too. I presume that second use is a grammatical mistake. Somebody at IKEA didn't proofread these before they went out. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not done so already yet. And let me know if you have visited this IKEA recently in Sydney, and whether you've used this electric vehicle charging station with your Tesla Model 3 or other electric vehicle. There's also another IKEA in Sydney in Marsden Park in the northwest with electric vehicle chargers as well. I'll make sure to get out there and review them for you as well. Where else have you used an IKEA electric vehicle charger in your neck of the woods? Leave a comment below. Alright, stay safe everyone, and until the next video, happy charging. Hey everyone, welcome to Ikea Tempe here in Sydney, and we've got 4 electric vehicle chargers here in the back corner of the parking lot, and they are free to use as you can see, and very easy as well, and they're type 2, and let's give it a try. So all you do is take it off the wall like that, see that, type 2, and we'll just press the charge port for our Tesla Model 3, and it's as easy as just in. That's all it is. I had a click over there, and you'll see that turn green like that. So that's very easy to use at the IKEA Tempe electric vehicle chargers. Thank you, IKEA.